regarding the content of the session. Let me very candidly say one thing. The topic chosen by you, economies of starts up, is a very pertinent topic in today's scenario. Young people who want to qualify, they ultimately want to go in and set up their startups of their own. They want to become very versatile entrepreneurs, but there are certain issues. I'll speak for close to 20 minutes and I will take into account the various reasons that led to the failures of startups. But when you think of startup, I am reminded of a couplet by Iqbal who said, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानबे मंजिल, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानबे मंजिल, लोग जुड़ते गए कारवां बनता गया. The inception, the birth of startup is when you think something. That thought process, that knowledge ultimately culminates into setting up a great venture of yours. So first important thing, what is your thought process? What is where you want to get involved and perform? And more importantly, when you start your performance, you have to understand that it is not merely your passion which is important. It is ultimately the market sellability which is important. You need to know the policies. You need to know the various economic conditions before you enter into a startup. I'll give an example. You would have heard of Coinex, a startup which unfortunately failed. There is one more startup, CoinMe. The third is CryptoCard. Why did these startups fail? Because they were not clear of the government policy of cryptocurrency. They started trading in cryptocurrency. They wanted to bring people closer to dealing in cryptocurrency. You know, cryptocurrency is something which the Indian government does not appreciate. So when you go and venture into an area which is under any circumstances not liked by a particular sector of the government, which is not encouraged or appreciated, failure is imminent. I'll give you some more reasons how some startups and why they failed. You would have heard of a startup called Doodhwala. Doodhwala had $4 million investments through venture capitalists and through other investors. Now, why did Doodhwala fail? Doodhwala had a very unique system of giving milk before 7 o'clock in the morning. And 60% of its clientele was based in Bangalore because number of people there are working people. Now it lost because of three reasons. Number one, as the delivery of the goods was to be made before 7 a.m. Therefore, it was dependent on delivery boys who could deliver the goods before 7 a.m. And they were demanding high salaries and therefore profitability was an issue. Second thing, they never had an idea that in case there is an issue with the milk, there is an issue that milk has gone stale or it is not in the right fresh state, what would they do? And third thing, very important, which normally all startups will have, is cash crunch. Earlier, you will find investors who would involve and try to help you out, try to bail you out. But after some time, you exhaust. You don't have the funding propositions to keep you moving in the market. The best of the startups have lost. I know one startup which was based out of Dubai. It was a mini Amazon. It went to 80 countries, had a huge roaring business. But when Amazon eyed, it came to all those countries and started selling goods on a cheaper perspective. Please understand, this cheaper goods ensured that the startup could not work and it failed miserably. It is a business proposition. Startup, you have a very good idea and that idea may not fortify now. It may not give fruits now, but ultimately it may come up with great insights. Something which I may fail, but Guransh may be able to pursue that and take it to unprecedented heights. You have to understand one very basic concept of business. It is that people who have clout, people who are strong, people who are cash rich, have all the perspective of changing the market. I'm reminded of a couplet which I would share with you. The couplet says, "Apni marzi se kaha अपने सफर के हैं हम, रुख हवाओं का जिधर का उधर के हैं हम. Weak man is always swayed by the big storms that come in the way. As an entrepreneur, as a person who intends to have a startup, the biggest impetus of yours is to have a better cash flow and not do excessive spending at the first instance. Second startup that failed is Green Dust. You are aware, Green Dust came into selling used products, used pads, used mobiles, used laptops. It had the funding of more than $50 million. See how large funding it had. But why did it fail? It failed because at a later stage, it was short of funds. Funds was a big problem with Green Dust, and it wanted more funds and could never go ahead with those funds. The second is, once I come out with an idea and that startup comes out, then everybody has a right to join as a competitor. Now, Vaishali may have a very good idea, and I may be a good entrepreneur, and Guransh may know branding better. So, what is the mind child of Vaishali would be used by me and ultimately capitalized by Guransh. It exactly happened in Green Dust. There was a lot of competitive involvement, and that threw Green Dust out. And unfortunately, I'm sorry, I have a bad throat. Unfortunately, Green Dust could not do proper branding to live in the market. So you have to understand, cash is one issue, competitive involvement is second issue. You have to stay ahead than your competitors. Third is you have to have branding. Fourth is that you know to know the legal laws which are prevalent in the country. 5, when you go for a startup, you should know which restrictions have to be done in income tax, in GST. All these things will ultimately ensure that there is a smooth movement of yours. The third startup that failed, it is my kind of job. It was a part-time job site. Now, it also had 2 million funding, $2 million. Now, why did it lose? Lose two very important reasons. Number one, as natural in all startups that lost was, it had a very big cash crunch. Immediately, when you start your venture, you have cash, you utilize that cash, have a big resource center, you have big infrastructure, but ultimately to service that center, you don't have money. And therefore, cash crunch. And second was resource crunch. Resource and human capital is a very important facet in movement of a business. A business goes in the right esteem when you have the proper human capital to support it. But what do? A startup man, a man who conceives or conceptualizes a startup needs to understand that if he is successful, it is fine. And if he is not successful, then again a couplet comes कि रास्ते भी अपनी, मंजिलें भी अपनी, रास्ते भी अपने, मंजिलें भी अपनी, फिर किससे शिकायत, फिर किससे बगावत. When you become an hero, everybody wants to adore you. There is a saying, जो जीता वही सिकंदर. And when you start losing, people want to run away. Therefore, when the startup starts dwindling, the investors pull them out, the human capital runs out, and they are at no mercy of nobody but to fail miserably. The fourth very important startup that failed was Modesta Healthcare. Modesta Healthcare was an online doctor services provider. Now what happened? It had a funding of $4 million. It also failed for two reasons. Number one, cash crunch. Cash crunch will ultimately come because people are not able to understand the things. I'll give an example. I have an office in Patel Nagar. When the office was being made, I had an architect appointed. So I said, this storage is too much. He said, sir, it is very little storage. My wife intervened and we had a huge storage in my office. But in 6 months, the entire storage was full. And I have been trying to live on that storage for over 10 years now. That thought process, what will happen after some period, startups normally fail. Initially, they have get lot of response from public. They understand things in a better aspect. but at a later stage they get involved. They don't understand the basic movement of life. कहते हैं ना, ना अनपढ़ रहा ना काबिल हुआ, ना अनपढ़ रहा ना काबिल हुआ, खामखा है जिंदगी मैं तेरे स्कूल में दाखिल हुआ. Experience is very important. How you use that experience is very important. How you envisage what is going to happen. I am reminded of Sir Walt Disney. In fact, year before last, I was in Anaheim, US. I went to California. From there, I went to Los Angeles, and from there, I went to Anaheim. Anaheim is a place which hosts Walt Disney's Disneyland. So when Disneyland was being inaugurated, it was 13 years after the death of Walt Disney. So a reporter was standing with the nephew of Walt Disney. Walt Disney's nephew's name was Ray. So he said in a very low, subtle voice, he said, "I'm so sorry, Mr. Ray. Had Walt Disney been alive, he would have seen this entire infrastructure today." Ray immediately rebuked him before the entire crowd. He said, "You don't understand. Walt Disney saw this 13 years back, and therefore it is in perspective today." I repeat, Walt Disney saw that infrastructure 13 years back, and therefore it is in perspective today. My dear young students, you all have a great future. You all have big dreams, but you need to understand that you go ahead because you need to have an envisaged view of the future. What is future? How you understand is again very, very important. You need to understand life is a part of experiences. There is a couplet which says, गुजरना पड़ता है जिंदगी को कई मानसूनों से, गुजरना पड़ता है जिंदगी को कई मानसूनों से, फकत का मतलब उर्दू में सिर्फ होता है, फकत एक ही बारिश से जमीन की तपिश नहीं जाती. जब पहली बार बारिश पड़ती है, अभी बारिश पड़ेगी ना, तो गर्मी ज्यादा बढ़ेगी. आपको इससे आगे जाना है. आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि जिंदगी में अगर आपने तरक्की करनी है तो एक बारिश तो और गर्मी पैदा करेगी, लेकिन बहुत सारी बारिशें अल्टीमेटली ठंडक ले आएंगी, जिससे तपिश खत्म हो जाएगी. The fifth startup that lost miserably was Tiger. Tiger was a Calcutta-based company which was into transport services. It had $3 million infusion of funds by the investors. The one reason was cash crunch. I will again tell you, when you start a startup, you immediately go into cash crunch. Why you go into cash crunch? Because initially the spendings are high. You use lot of money to create resources, to create infrastructures, to create working places, to create reputational systems, to create branding, to do goodwill stalls. But after that, when the things needs them miserably, you are short of funds. I will again go back and take you through comparison between Hike and WhatsApp. You are aware Hike was a messenger? You know, Vaishali? Why it failed miserably? I'll give you some reasons why Hike failed. Another reason why WhatsApp became so successful that it is even successful today. The first reason why Hike failed was it was otherwise a copy of WeChat. You know WeChat in China, which is the WhatsApp of China. China has banned WhatsApp. China has banned Facebook, Instagram. So they have their own site, which is WeChat. Now, why did Hike Messenger fail? Hike is something which is messaging app is required by everybody, but it failed. Number one, it had selective targeting of people. It only tried to find people between the age group of 18 to 23. So the entire crowd was left out. People don't understand things. अगर आप उर्दू समझते हो तो उर्दू का आपको एक शेर बताऊंगा जिसको ध्यान से समझिएगा और उसको समझने की कोशिश कीजिएगा. Yes, Viber 2. Tulka is writing Viber 2. Yes. What were the reasons of failure? I'll tell you. Compared to WhatsApp. उर्दू का शेर बता रहा था मैं कि गिरते रहे सजदों में हम अपनी हसरतों की खातिर. सजदे मतलब भगवान के सामने जब आप झुक कर प्रे करते हो. गिरते रहे सजदों में हम अपनी हसरतों की खातिर. इश्क ए खुदा से गिरे होते तो कोई हसरत ही बाकी ना रहती. आप कितना कुछ भगवान से मांगते हो. अगर भगवान को मांग लो, आप दोस्ती ढूंढते हो, एक बेहतर आदमी आपका दोस्त हो तो आपको कितनी जगह से बेल आउट करता है, कितनी जगह आपकी हेल्प करता है. एक बार बैठ के सोचिए कि अगर भगवान आपका दोस्त हो, इफ गॉड इज योर फ्रेंड, you get so much in life. So please understand that to be successful, he has to be supportive. He has to have a clean eye on you. अब मैं हाइक के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताकर खत्म करूंगा. हाइक ने सिलेक्टिव लोगों को टारगेट किया, सिलेक्टिव को, जबकि मैसेजिंग आर सब यूज करते हैं. जैसे मेरे पास अभी OnePlus 8 है, मैंने OnePlus 9 कल ऑर्डर किया, कल आ जाना चाहिए. Why I want OnePlus 9? I went to US, I had a big Apple, लेटेस्ट एप्पल और उसमें एक फर्क है, मेरे हाथ से फोन बहुत जल्दी छूट जाते हैं. एप्पल टूटते 20,000 का खर्चा है, ये दिन में 4 बार गिरता है, टूटता नहीं है. आई हैव माई ओन प्रपोजिशन, सो यू कांट. इफ Goransh or Shivcharan has a phone, he may keep it very close to his heart, not let it fall. But in my life, it falls at least 4 to 5 times a day. So I am in search of a phone which does not break immediately on failure. देखो कभी बहुत ऊपर से गिर जाए, कोई गाड़ी चढ़ जाए तो टूटेगा ही, पर नॉर्मली ना टूटे. So when they are servicing the entire crowd, the entire age brackets, and they will service me, I am above 50. So above 50 को वो बोलेंगे कि आपके पास strong चीज होनी चाहिए. Second, pricing is very very important. You know, लिखा अगस्ता ने, also adds in their interface. Yes, very important. Branding, telling what you want. अब आप 9 को देखें तो OnePlus 9 है, OnePlus 9R है और 9 Pro है. अगर आप इन तीनों को कंपेयर करें तो तीनों के अंदर प्राइस डिफरेंस 15-15 हजार का है, और वैल्यू एडिशन आप अपने हिसाब से चूज कर सकते हैं. सो इफ इट हैड प्रो वेरिएंट चलता ना, 9 वेरिएंट बीच में मिडल, और 9R इतना सक्सेसफुल हो गया, कल उनको स्टॉप कर देना पड़ा. उनके पास इतने सारी सब्सक्रिप्शंस आ गए, पीपल वांटेड टू बाय सो मच कि उनको लगा डिलीवरी में इशू ना हो जाए. सो प्राइसिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इक्विटेबल प्राइसिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ द third thing is feeling and emotions of people. Ultimately सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में आप लोगों की फीलिंग को कैटर करते हैं. I am a teacher. When I speak, if I speak sense, I have so many followers. I am a public speaker. If I mean what I want to say and you understand the same thing which I want to transmit, I am hit. If I am not able to put things in the right perspective in which I want to, where do you live? As a person who is into service industry, as a person who wants to offer a product, the most important thing is that the person on the other side should relish that product. He should be willing to buy that product. So emotions and feelings are very important. Color placement is very important. Designing is very important. Screen size is very important if it is a phone. So if it is an app, the space it takes is very important. So many videos coming in automatically, you are always in a problem. The fourth, innovation has to be perpetual. You call it market observation. You see why Facebook, why WhatsApp has been there. You find a problem one day, the next day they will fix the bugs. Very, very important. So perpetual movement, perpetual changes into the system is very, very important. I will give you an example. There is a couplet which says, मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी थोड़ा भटक कर ही सही. मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी थोड़ा भटक कर ही सही. गुमराह तो वो हैं जो घरों से निकले ही नहीं. People who are here on a Thursday morning to listen what WhatsApp are and how they can gain from creating a WhatsApp, and yet they understand that these are the problems which have to be taken care of. These are the do's and don'ts if you want to set up a WhatsApp. Will always help you move ahead. Am I clear? So going ahead, why hike was not on the right perspective. The innovation was not perpetual. It started with innovation, and unfortunately, it was not doing research day and now. For a product to be successful, research has to be perpetual. And understand, research leads not of money. Dr. Reddy, if you look at the bourses, today the entire market is down, but pharma is on a spree of going ahead because pharma has done a lot of research to find vaccination for corona. There are 2-3 pharmas which have been picked up. But looking at the demand, now lessons are being given to other pharma companies also, and therefore their market capitalization is also being improved. The fifth is too many applications. Too many cooks spoil the soup. मम्मी खाना बनाती बढ़िया बनाती है ना, जब मम्मी के साथ आपकी मौसी भी, आपकी बुआ भी, आपकी बहन भी किचन में चली जाए तो पता चलता है एक सब्जी में 3 बार हल्दी डल गई और किसी में नमक डाला ही नहीं. One person responsible will always come back to you. Too many applications with low bandwidth. आजकल तो फिर भी इशू नहीं है, तो 2012 की बातें हैं जिस समय हाइक आया था, तो उस समय इतनी एप्लीकेशन को चलाने के लिए ना तो स्मार्टफोन ज्यादा थे, ना लोगों के पास ज्यादा वाईफाई होती थी या ज्यादा डाटा होता था. मैं एग्जांपल देता हूं आपको. व्हाट्सएप यूज 28 MB, हाइक यूज 75 MB. 2012. Today you have so many things, no problem. Today whatever hike wanted to keep hike had the material which was very hit, but it was failure because that was not contemporary. हो सकता आज से 20 साल के बाद शिव चरण एक मेरे घर से या मेरे ऑफिस मिलने आए तो अपने जेट पर आए, रोड और पार्क्स पे जेट पार्क होने लग पड़े. आज अगर शिव चरण जेट पे आने की कोशिश करे उसको इमीडिएटली गिरफ्तार कर लिया जाएगा, बिकॉज आज हमारे पास कंटेम्पररी सिस्टम्स नहीं है, हमारे पास परपेचुअल थॉट प्रोसेस नहीं है कि हम उसको कहाँ पार्क करेंगे, कैसे चलाएंगे, किसी को नुकसान ना हो. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. सो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज that too many applications led to the downfall of hike. The sixth is too complex and difficult to use. Very, very complex. When you have so many applications, it is so complex. And about 26, 27, 30, people like us need to know this is our application. We will not use, we don't have this much time to go and navigate and find out what is the benefit. The ecosystem we will not understand. And therefore, too complex issue had put it at a big loss. The eighth is large application size. I told you that large application size had large data issues. One application of understandability, of determining what you want, and second is data size. So data side also had its own disadvantages. The ninth and the most important thing which all of you need to know, it had no USPs. What is USP? USP is unique selling proposition. You see, what is WhatsApp? What does WhatsApp give you? Videos, chatting, video calling, voice calling, so many things. WhatsApp, this is its USP. What is the USP of Facebook? Social chatting, social presence, social friendship. What is the USP of Snapchat? Photos, and yet not saved. What is the USP of Instagram? Photos, videos, they have their own USPs. Hike somehow did not have that USP. Why is WhatsApp successful? It targeted everyone. If you go to a village in Bihar or UP, they'll be using WhatsApp. I met a gentleman yesterday. I went to buy some tables for me in Pachkuya Road. I met a person whose son have also working with him only. His name was Pandeji. Pandeji was using WhatsApp. It has targeted all people. I have my brother's son, who's in 5th, he uses WhatsApp. My children use WhatsApp. So it is used by all communities. I have a friend of mine who's a chartered accountant, SB Singh. His father is 100 years old. Darji हम उनको कहते हैं. Darji 100 years के WhatsApp यूज करते हैं. अब देखिए WhatsApp कितना यूजर फ्रेंडली, हर कोई उसको यूज कर रहा है. उसको बाहर निकालना बहुत मुश्किल है. अगर इंडिया में WhatsApp बाहर चला जाए तो ऐसा लगेगा जैसे बत्ती चलेगी या ऑक्सीजन का लेवल कम हो गया. Second thing, easy to use. Target everyone. All will only get involved when it is easy to use. A 100-year-old man will never try to use it if it is complex. Third, consumer behavior is known to them. What a consumer needs. I have faith in God. Morning I get up. Yes, Tulika says even my grandfather learned using it recently. See, Tulika's grandfather, if he can learn it at this age, it is something which is magnificent, which is fantabulous. Consumer behavior is also known. I am a religious man. I want Gurbani in the morning. So Guransh's father, Bhupinder ji, will send me Gurbani in the morning. I get up in the morning. Oh, I get the Mukhwak, I get the Kirtan on WhatsApp. Now Guransh wants to see some English movies. He gets pieces of English movies. Shiv Charan may like to view some news. So whatever is the consumer behavior, whatever you want will come there. And very important, it was taken over in $19 billion by Facebook. Why did Facebook take it? Because it was economy of scale. Once Facebook had so many of infrastructure and great resources, it could work. So I want to tell you one thing very candidly before I finish my talk. You need to understand one thing, that if you want to set up a startup, you have to move with your faith. कहते हैं ना, मैं खुदा का नाम लेकर पी रहा हूं दोस्तों, मैं खुदा का नाम लेकर पी रहा हूं दोस्तों, जहर भी इसमें हुआ तो दवा हो जाएगा, जहर भी इसमें हुआ तो दवा हो जाएगा. It is your faith that makes things happen. So when you set up or you intend to set up a startup, please view the financing things, the legal perception, the consumer behavior, the size of application, the complexity of use, and more importantly, the competitors in the market. Because if it is a new product, new competitors will come in, and if it is a settled product, the competitors may try to use their cloud, their strength to throw you out of the market. So I want to thank the Crodiman College people. Agastya is asking me, can you Agastya please repeat that? I'm not able to see that. She was asking about failure of some things. I could not read the entire line, but I want to tell you one thing very clearly. Why did products fail? They fail because of three basic reasons. The first reason is not gelling with the consumers. Consumers always want a product which is handy. Battery issue होगा तो मैं कभी फोन नहीं लूंगा. Charging issue मैं कभी फोन नहीं लूंगा. Again, OnePlus 8, OnePlus 9 में जैसे आप चार्ज करते हो आधे घंटे में फुल चार्ज हो जाता है. अगर साउंड क्वालिटी में इशू है, अगर स्क्रीन में इशू है, अगर बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है, मैं नहीं लूंगा. So these things are there. If you want to go into say service industry, then how you can reach up, how interaction can be made. मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया था मोडेस्टा हेल्थ का. मोडेस्टा इसलिए फेल हुई कि लोग डॉक्टर से सलाह लेकर जब दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछते थे तो डॉक्टर कहता मैं कल बताऊंगा. मैं आज बीमार हूं, मैं डॉक्टर के पास एक बात पूछूं, दूसरी पूछो, डॉक्टर को इमीडिएटली जवाब देना चाहिए ना. अगर नहीं दे पा रहा तो I don't want that. I would like to visit a human doctor rather than visiting an app. Am I clear? So my dear students, yes. It was great speaking to you. I have finished my lecture. If you have any questions, we can discuss it. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to come and interact with you all. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us such a knowledge. And really, मैं आपका दिल से शुक्रिया करना चाहूंगी that you are really very knowledgeable person and a very very good shire. Thank you for just enlightening us with your wisdom. Now over to you, Guransh, to continue with the session.
So good afternoon, everybody. So, sir, there were a few questions that the audience wanted us to ask from you. So the first question is that due to COVID-19, many companies had to face a lot of problems, including startups. So in your view, how the startups and the companies should tackle with this problem?
Can you please repeat it, initial?
Yeah, due to COVID-19, many companies had to face a lot of problems, including the startups related to cash crunch or decrease in the spending of the people. So how the companies or the startups should tackle with this problem?
Guransh, there is a very old saying. People never plan to fail. They generally fail to plan. When it comes to creating startups, I deliberately did not take Corona, you see. I did not discuss Corona at all because I know it will come in question answer and I will address it there. Corona has become a big dampener in the progress of industries. But the irony of the fate is, if you look at the stock markets, I don't know how many of you are involved in stock markets, they're at all-time high. How is it possible that when Corona is there, when there is no industry, stock markets are going up? How the informed investors can be selling or buying? Why are they buying? Why the valuation of companies is at all-time high? There is always a paradigm shift. आप धीरूभाई अंबानी को जानते हैं? धीरूभाई अंबानी को हार्ट अटैक हुआ. Reliance started going down. Dhirubhai Ambani was admitted in ICU. Reliance started going down. Then once the sad news came, Dhirubhai Ambani is no more. People sold Reliance and Reliance was at its all-time high. There is always succession planning. There is always crisis management. There is always a business continuity plan. Corona tested those people who had business continuity plan. कहते हैं ना, भीगे हुए परों से परवाज करके देख. पर means feather and परवाज means to fly. भीगे हुए परों से परवाज करके देख, अंजाम उसके हाथ है आगाज करके देख. In challenging time, you make such models who last lifelong. In times of comfort, अभी आपने देखा होगा दुबई के, सबने पढ़ा होगा, व्हाट्सएप में बहुत फेमस था. दुबई के किंग से किसी ने पूछा कि तुम्हारे परदादा किस पे चलते थे? कहते मेरे परदादा कैमल पे चलते थे, दादा फरेरी पे चलते थे, मैं मर्सिडीज पे चलता हूँ, मेरा बेटा लंबस्की में चलेगा, मेरा पोता रोल्स रॉयस पे जाएगा और मेरा पड़पोता फिर कैमल पे जाएगा, क्योंकि हमने बहुत टाइम देख लिया कंफर्ट का. Comfort will kill you. Companies who have tested the corona times and have survived are companies who will survive for all long. Therefore, when corona has come, you need to understand how you have your interface with people is not diminishing. So, Guranj, 3 points related to corona. Number 1, your financial position has to be stable. Second, very important thing, that your interface with public at large has to be, your end consumer has to be totally imminent. It cannot diminish. And third and the last thing is that you need to understand how to use every adverse situation as an opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir, for
Most
such an
welcome.
enlightening response.
Most welcome. Most
So the
welcome.
next question is, how did you decide to choose this career, and what is your advice to children like us who are in their 20s?
I wanted to do chartered accountancy because it is one of the premier courses. Both of us, your father is also a chartered accountant, I am also a chartered accountant. So I feel that chartered accountancy gives you an impetus. It is no doubt difficult. But when people want to have authority, when they want to use their mind, their acumen, their technical knowledge to perform, there is no course better than chartered accountancy. I suggest that anyone amongst you who wants to grow great in life through hard work can always do. Yes, brighter dark. Brighter dark is saying, yes, chartered accountants are all-rounders. I 100% agree and appreciate. So if you want to become an all-rounder, not only in compliance, but in finance, but in derivatives, but in arbitrage, but in system analysis, but in technology, the only option is chartered accountancy.
So, sir, what were the difficulties?
Vatsal Gupta is answering. I want to know how ICW and CA are different. We have different forays. We are nothing to do with ICW because they have their own costing issues. We are into accounting, taxation, GST. They are also into GST. But we have our different foray, our different bandwidth on which we want to perform. Our navigation is totally different. Our CFOs, CEOs have different bandwidth to cater to companies. Another institute with different courses will have different bandwidths. Yes, Raj.
So, sir, what were the difficulties that you faced in your journey for
So
achieving your
difficulties
goals?
all will face in life. But you need to have friends. कहते हैं ना, दिल खोलो यारों से, वरना खोलना पड़ेगा औजारों से. Be friendly with people. Discuss what your problems are. You may have some problem in studying. In our time, money was a big problem. Taking tuition was a big problem. Now, money is not a big problem for young students today. So you have to sit with your friends, discuss what the blockheads are. There were certain people who could not travel at that time. I belong to Yamunanagar. Coming to Delhi was a big Herculean task. But you have come from Ambala, no issue, Guranj. So times have changed. So in my times, traveling was an issue. Finding a good company to do articleship was an issue. With your father as chartered accountant, you can have the best company to do articleship. So there are so many benefits which you will have, which we did not have. And in every, Swami Vivekananda say, that once you move and you find that there is no obstacle in the way, I'm sure you are on the wrong path. So if you don't have obstacles, bottlenecks in your way, you are not on the right track. They will always remain in whatever age you may study.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really very inspiring.
Great,
The
great.
next question is, what is your message to the students who lack in communication skill and confidence as they come from such background where they do not get various opportunities to work on such skills?
Guranj, how many students in your college have a Mercedes?
I don't know, sir.
I'm sure, but 15 years from today, everybody will have a Mercedes. Everybody will have a good farmhouse, a big astounding house. Lot of ornaments, a Rolex watch. You will acquire these things in time, so it is time that you acquire communication skills. बुतों तारीफ है तुम पर, बुत मीन्स अ स्टैच्यू, बुतों तारीफ है तुम पर, तरक्की इसको कहते हैं, ना तराशे थे तो पत्थर थे, तराशे तो खुदा निकले। आप एक पत्थर को तराश कर भगवान बना देते हो और उसकी पूजा करते हो। हर शख्स की यही अपेक्षा होनी चाहिए कि वो खुद को तराश कर। My message to students is that everything is before you. You can do wonders in your life. और एक बात याद रखना, उर्दू का एक बहुत उम्दा शेर है कि जवानी में बचाया गया पसीना बुढ़ापे में अश्कों के सहारे निकलता है। जवानी में बचाया गया पसीना बुढ़ापे में अश्कों के जरिए निकलता है। पसीना मत बचाओ, पसीना बहाओ, मेहनत करो। The only message is that it is the right time. You can do whatever you want to do, and you can do a great thing.
Thank you so much, sir. So the next question is, what do you think is the most important characteristic to become successful?
The most important characteristic, in my opinion, is perseverance. Never say no. Circumstances every day will throw you out of the game. You will feel so depressed. You want to go back into your cocoon. No. Feel low. You may even need to cry. Cry. It will make your heart lighter. रोने से आदमी कमजोर नहीं होता, रोने से आदमी ठीक हो जाता है। कई बार दर्द होता है, दुख होता है, तकलीफ होती है, दोस्तों के रवैये को देखकर, दुनिया को देखकर। ये सब इसी तरह रहेगा। हम कोविड की बात करते हैं, हमें कोविड के साथ जीना पड़ेगा आगे। हमें रूथलेस लोगों के साथ जीना पड़ता है, हमें दो चेहरे वाले लोगों के साथ जीना पड़ता है। एक का चेहरा आगे कुछ और होता है, पीछे कुछ और होता है, लेकिन उनके साथ जीकर एक मजबूत इंसान बनकर तरक्की पर जाकर और कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में अपनी प्रैक्टिस में शाइन करना सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है। My message to all students is, don't get deterred by anything that troubles you. Have faith in your God. गुरबानी पढ़ें, रामायण पढ़ें, गीता पढ़ें, अपने खुदा में पूरा यकीन करें। जिस आदमी को खुदा में यकीन है वो कभी जिंदगी में शिकस्त हासिल नहीं करता। You never lose if you have faith in your God. Have faith in God. Work in tandem and perform.
Thank you, sir, for such a motivational response. So the last question is, do you believe that a professional degree plays a very important role in running a startup?
Oh, Grunge, this is a very different question. Professional degree, no doubt, helps you. But your understanding of things is very important. I'll give an example.
Please.
Somebody
Akhilesh, please mute yourself. Akhilesh Yadav.
I was telling you that कबीर साहब का एक बहुत बड़ा दोहा है। कबीर जी कहते हैं, माथे तिलक हाथ माला बाना। माथे में तिलक लगाकर माला लेते हैं हाथ में ना। He made a satire to the people who were showing off. He said, माथे तिलक हाथ माला बाना, लोगन राम खिलौना जाना। लोग तो भगवान को भी खिलौना समझते हैं, लेकिन वो लोग जो खिलौनों को भगवान समझते हैं जिंदगी में अल्टीमेटली सक्सेसफुल होते हैं। It is not your professional degree, it is your faith, your passion that will make a startup flourish. Professional degree will give the impetus to the startup to run through. Professional degree आपको एक पर्सपेक्टिव देती है, एक सोच देती है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म देती है, एक बेंचमार्क देती है जहां से आप काम करते हैं। लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट इंग्रेडिएंट पैशन है। खिलौना को भगवान समझना है, भगवान को खिलौने समझना है। प्लीज गो अहेड, सिट बैक, रिलैक्स एंड क्रिएट अ ब्लूप्रिंट ऑफ योर्स। आप क्या करना चाहते हैं उसको नोटिफाई करिए, उसको लिखें और लिखकर उसको अपनी लाइफ के अंदर एग्जिबिट करें, उसको देखें और उसको परफॉर्म करें। दैट इज इट।
Thank you, sir. It was a really great experience talking to you. I hope all the questions of the audience have been answered. Over to Vishali.
If anybody wants to ask a direct question, you can ask. I'm there for 5 more minutes.
Yeah,
If anybody
yes,
wants
sir.
to ask.
Actually, yes, sir. I just wanted to say a few things about startup.
क्या नाम है
See,
आपका?
my name is Pratap. Actually, we have
Yes, yes.
started. Yeah. We are into this process as well, and we have found some existing problem statements and which we are trying to solve it right now due to the COVID situation. So the idea is on, the concept is in, initial stage where we want to evaluate the pre-revenue model, evaluations actually. So though we are not ready to go out in market, we have not ready our, minimum viable, product, and we want to have, investors to come and, fund for this idea actually. So is it how
मिस्टर प्रताप, स्टार्टअप में 3 चीजें होनी चाहिए. पहला, प्रोडक्ट जिसको आप टेस्ट करते हैं. प्रोडक्ट कैन बी सर्विस, प्रोडक्ट कैन बी अ प्रोडक्ट विच कैन बी सोल्ड इन द मार्केट. टेस्टिंग ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट वो आप नियर बाई अपने सर्कल में करते हैं कि वो प्रोडक्ट कैसा है. मैं बेल का शरबत पी रहा हूँ. बेल का शरबत क्या होता है बहुत लोगों को मालूम नहीं होगा. बेल पत्र क्या है लोगों को मालूम नहीं होगा. शिव जी भगवान का प्रसाद बेल पत्र मिलता है और साउथ में लोग बेल पत्र को खाते हैं और कहते हैं कि 21 साल तक आदमी बेल पत्र खा के जीवित रह सकता है. टेस्टिंग. सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, क्रिएटिंग अ मार्केट फॉर योर प्रोडक्ट. व्हाट मार्केट डू यू एनविसेज? आपने सुना होगा कि एक आदमी जूते बेचने किसी पोर्ट पर पहुंचा, टापू पर. 2 सेल्समैन गए, टापू से करके वापस आए. कहता सर बेकार है, वहां तो कोई आदमी जूते डालता ही नहीं है. दूसरे ने कहा सर कितनी अच्छी जगह, वो कोई जूते डाल रहे हैं, हमारे पास तो 100% अपॉर्चुनिटीज है जूते बेचने की. क्रिएटिंग अ मार्केट. थर्ड, टू हैव इमेंस मनी टू फंड दैट प्रोजेक्ट. आपके पास कोई इन्वेस्टर होना चाहिए जो आपके ऊपर पैसे लगाए, और पैसे को इस तरह खर्च कैसा ना कि इनिशियली आप बहुत खर्च कर दें और बाद में पैसे बचे ना. पैसों का क्राइसिस बाद में आता है, तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा आप किस चीज को कैसे पैसा यूज कर सकते. इन तीनों चीज पे टेस्ट करके आप कभी भी किसी भी स्टार्टअप को राइट जगह पे ले जा सकते हैं.
Is it feasible to bring any angel investors to in your idea stage? I just wanted to say, because
No, I want to say if you have a viable product, you'll find line of investors.
no, we don't have ready, but we will make it, because we are very confident about idea actually.
नहीं, जब अपना आइडिया आपको पूरा पक जाए, सहज पके सो मीठा होए, उस समय उसको परोसे अच्छा लगेगा. ज्यादा बांटे मत, क्योंकि लोग उसको चुरा भी लेते हैं.
ओके.
गाना सुना आपने, चुरा लिया है दिल मेरा. दिल के अलावा लोग आइडिया भी चुरा लेते हैं, तो उसको ज्यादा आपने पब्लिक में बताना नहीं है.
Okay, right. Thank you.
जी.
That's all actually I just wanted to say. Yeah.
Thank you.
So thank you, US Kim, for your question. So now it's the time to conclude today's session. I just don't want to conclude it because you are just amazing. But yeah, I'm really very glad and thankful to you, sir, on part of my society and part of my college, that you spare time out of a busy schedule and just came here to shower all your knowledge and wisdom upon us. We are extremely grateful to you, having a very fruitful discussion, and we hope that we will implement the advice that you gave us today. So very thanks to you. So now I will also like to thank our convener, sir, Dr. Sabir Nama, and our principal ma'am also for helping us organizing this event. Now I would like to invite Sabir Nama, sir, to give a vote of thanks.
Thank you for that enlightening session, sir. Thank you very much. I'm sure our participants, wanted to hear more from our distinguished speaker, Charanjit Singh Nanda, sir. Particularly the couplets, right? That was even new for me. Very interesting couplets. So thank you for sharing all your experiences, all your professional knowledge to our students, among our students. Particularly consider those very important points that you have raised, that these days we are not only selling goods and services. These days what we are selling, what is very important is, the experience. That's very important. The customers on the other side, should relish the experience, that you are sharing. These are very important points, and I consider this as the new rules of business. These are new rules of business, and for our young minds, for our young students, they must consider all these things, that if you really want to be successful in life, right, in your forthcoming life, you must understand the intricacies. You must understand that getting disrupted by yourself, and using all your creativity and innovation and selling experiences. These are all very, very important points. We must understand that, and we are really grateful to our distinguished speaker for sharing all his valuable experiences and sharing it amongst us, right? And on behalf of my principal, Professor Vibha Singh Chauhan, thank you to our speaker, sir. And once again, I think I also take this opportunity to maybe have some more interaction with him, professionals like you to frequently interact with our young students, because there is a kind of backlog somewhere. We need the knowledge that we share to our students, knowledge from the theoretical knowledge that basically is given in the colleges and universities these days must be compensated, from experts, professionals like you. And if we can have more of interactions of this kind, certainly this is going to help, in fulfilling or in accomplishing their vision, their targets, their destinations in times to come. So thank you very much, sir, for sharing your experiences and sharing your precious time amongst us. I hope very soon we are going to have some more interactions with you. I was also expecting that you'd focus on some technical aspects of GST or income tax, but I think today we couldn't touch upon those technicalities. But I think in times to come, we are also going to have some more interactions on all this with our students. As far as I understand, they need to understand, some technical aspects as well. Right, in our classes, we get to hear a lot of questions from our students, pertaining to those technical aspects. So it would be really a very interesting debate if we could have all those questions to our professionals who are in that particular area, who would directly address to those questions, and I think you'd be satisfied with their answers, with their solutions, because they are dealing all these things in the professional camp. So thank you very much for all of this, and thank you all to the participants as well for your patient hearing and interesting questions. Thank you so much. And lastly, I would also like to thank the convener of team itself for organizing this event despite a lot of constraints. So great that you had this event, and great that we had Charanjit Singh Nandaji, your first speaker for this 4 days event. I'm sure we are going to have equally more interactive sessions for coming days. So best wishes to all of you, and thank you to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Lama. I see Mr. Agastya trying to step in. If you permit, he can speak for a second. Mr. Agastya Chauhan.
Guranj, just have a look on that.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, actually, I want to know there are various companies, especially in maturity period of their business. Sir, they try to use that approach to give elite special. If they are selling a product, they are used to give a special. Used to use a approach that giving special discounts to their regular customers or and all. So, as being a startup company in a launching period, should we also follow that approach, or is it good or bad?
Agastya, it is a strategic approach. You have to have your own strategy. You see, again on 1+8, 1+9, do they give any discount? They don't
No,
give.
sir, not
So
that
it is the strength of your product that will make things move ahead. Your strength of your product, very, very important. Once it is, if I have to buy something, money will not be an issue for me. I need to know the versatility of the product. I want to know how strong it is. So if you have a good product, you needn't go to discounts. Nobody gives from your own pocket. Discounts is ultimately inflated price, which is brought down and shown before the price is brought down.
Okay. And sir, I want to know that nowadays internet is very much available to all the people and all the things. So is there need of any kind of office to start a company, or
not at all. You can start from your place also, no issues.
Okay.
But you have to have all proper registrations, GST, income tax,
Yes.
PAN. You have to have everything done at the same address, and you have to know that if it is a place where commercial activity is not allowed, then there can be a problem. Otherwise, There is no such issue. You can always do that.
And sir, how will you see the after IT sector? I mean, how much we have to make a strategy for? I mean, 15 years, for 10 years, or we have to make far beyond it. I mean, for
No. You
especially
start with 10 years, 5 years, then immediately keep on changing that and suit it to the times to come. You can't make strategy 15 years because you never know what products or what systems or instruments are at that time. So you start with 5 years from now and then keep on aligning that to the later years.
And sir, how we can if a company is started, but what instant we will say that our company is in maturity period, because from launch period to it has become I mean, to make our adjustments according to the situation.
अगस्त्य तुम्हें खुद पता चल जाएगा, तुम्हें बताना नहीं पड़ेगा. मैच्योरिटी खुद, कभी फल देखते हो ना घर में, अमरूद लगाओ, पता तो कब पक गया, अनार पक गया, तुम्हें खुद पता चल जाएगा अपने आप. You will have that maturity yourself that your company is mature. Don't worry for that.
And sir, we are facing various issues in, especially in funding and investment, especially.
That will always remain. That will always remain. If you don't find issues, it is not a startup. You're not playing. You're creating value and worth out of a proposition. You will have problems. Then only you will mature and you will grow in line.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Lama. I can say only one thing. That also by way of couplet. कि जब भी जी चाहे बुला लेना मुझे मेहरबा, जब भी जी चाहे बुला लेना मुझे मेहरबा, मैं गया वक्त नहीं जो लौट के ना आऊंगा. I shall always be available. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.
Thank you
Great.
so much.
Great.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you all for being such nice audience. I would just like to announce about the next day event that we have. Tomorrow we have an event at 4 p.m. by TEDx speaker Abhishek Jain. He is founder and CEO of Hackers Den and Blend & Men. We'll share the links of registration in the chat as well, and see you tomorrow too for the interesting sessions. Thank you everyone. The session is officially over and you guys can leave the meeting.